and welcome to a brand new video of mine. Now today I'm going to talk about some of my favorite shampoos which I have been using frequently, and this year is about to end, so I just thought of uploading this video. I think this might help you out also, so just keep on watching to know which are the shampoos I really loved. Now this is the first shampoo regarding which I'm going to talk right now, and let me tell you one more thing guys. I have already reviewed this shampoo, and I hope you have seen that review of mine, and if you want to check out some more hair care videos, just check out my playlist of hair care. You will get a lot of DIYs also and a lot of reviews also regarding shampoos. Now let's talk about this particular shampoo. Now as you can see, it comes in a big bottle, but as usual I want to just suggest you one thing guys. If you are trying something new, you need to try with the smallest pack, or if possible, if it is the shampoo or the product is available in small pouch, also go for that, because this shampoo is working for me. So I'm going to talk about it, but everybody's hair and skin type is different. We need to think about this also. So it's best, if any product is new to you, you should try that out with the smallest pack which is available in market. If you're looking for a volume shampoo on a budget, and you should go for this one, I must say this. And this is Treseme's beautiful volume shampoo, as you can see. Now this is the biggest pack which I have bought because it really works on me. Now it has 580 ml of product in it, means shampoo in it, and the price of this is 430. Now this is a reverse system shampoo, as you can see. That means you have to first put the conditioner and then use the shampoo. What I often do, I use the conditioner also, and at times I use my hair oil also, and after using the hair oil I keep that oil on my scalp for 30 minutes, and then I wash that out with this shampoo, and with that also it really it is really good, and I really like this shampoo. I don't have much volume in my hair, as you can see, so yes, I often use this shampoo, and it is really good. I just love this shampoo. Now guys, this is the next shampoo. This is Garnier's Ultra Blends Royal Jelly and Lavender shampoo. This shampoo really works for me on my hair, and this is a shampoo which doesn't have any paraben, as you can see. This shampoo is good if you are losing your hair. That means if you are having hair fall, this shampoo is going to work for you. And the best part of this shampoo is, which I like the most, is it really gives me a very soft, smooth and manageable hair. I really like this shampoo for this reason. And the product quantity you will be getting in this pack is 175 ml, and the price of this product is rupees 125, and it is having an amazing fragrance. So you can give it a try if you are having frizzy hair also. I can tell you, you can go for this shampoo guys. You will not be disappointed at all. Now this is the next shampoo. I have already talked about this particular shampoo on my channel. Now this is the Head and Shoulders Smooth and Silky Anti-Dandruff shampoo, which is having conditioner in it, and I think this is the best part, especially for winters. A shampoo which is having conditioner, it saves a lot of time. Now this is priced at rupees 165, means rupees 165, and the product quantity you will be getting is 180 ml. So this is good if you are having dandruff. Recently I am using this shampoo also. As I have told you all that whenever I use something new, I always go for the smallest pack. I think this is the smallest pack of Tresemme Keratin Smooth shampoo. Now as you can see, it comes in a red bottle like this, and it is having keratin and argan oil, and this is the reason I bought this shampoo. I want to have a soft smooth hair like everybody else. Now this shampoo really worked for me, so I'm going to buy the bigger one, bigger pack which is available in the market, and this shampoo is priced at rupees 75, and the product quantity that you will be getting is 85 ml. So you can try if you have you can try this shampoo if you are having frizzy hair, unmanageable hair. So I think this shampoo is going to work for you, because it is working on me. I'm suggesting you this. I think this shampoo is available in pouch also. So if you want to try this out, you can try the smallest pack, or you can go for the pouch also. Then you will come to know whether this shampoo is working for you or not. Now this is Himalayas protein shampoo. I have already talked about this shampoo on my channel. This is a shampoo which is going to provide a lot of nourishment to your hair. It is having chickpea and almond, and this shampoo, I think this is the smallest pack available in the market. This is having 100 ml of product in it, and the price of this is rupees 68. So this is also a shampoo. These days I'm loving this shampoo also, and I just love Himalayas product a lot. So guys, these are my current favorite shampoos, and if you have liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do share this video among your friends and family. Help them out and help me also to grow, and do subscribe to my channel. The red button is here and the bell icon is also there. Don't forget to hit both the buttons, because then only you will get the notification whenever I upload my videos. If you want to get the notification, then hit the bell icon. Otherwise, just leave it. And I hope you all have liked this video. Come back to my channel for more and more interesting videos. Till my next video comes, tata, take care, bye bye.